I'm back, and this is what it looks like. All cooked up and I tasted it already. It tastes good. Now I took 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and I whisked that in with that little bit of gravy, little bit left that we had from the, you know, the broth that we had. So I add that. And then I add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, some light sour cream. And that's it. 1, 2. We mix that together. And that's it. Show you what it looks like that, like that, and then we just shut it off. We'll taste it now that it's all done. Let's see how it tastes. And I got the calorie count and carbs. Very good. We're gonna check it here. Taste a piece of meat with all that. Perfect. Very hot. So, so we have, for calories, it makes 8 servings. So 1 cup, 8 1-cup servings. Calories is 205.94. Carbs is 21.97. Fat is 2.25. Protein is 1481. So again, the calories are 205.94. Carbs are 21.97. Fat is 2.25. Protein is 1481. 8 1-cup servings, and that's not really bad for a homemade stew. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next week with another healthy recipe. God bless everybody. Keep angels in God in your life and stay safe and healthy. Bye.